My name is Angela Henry, and I'm the owner of Floor Guy Supply. I wanted to come on today just to give you a few things to think about the next time you're in the market to purchase a new floor. Purchasing a floor is a major investment, much like purchasing a new car or even a home. And you want to make sure you're doing all you can to maintain and protect your investment. The next time you're at your local retailer, be sure to ask a few questions, like, does the manufacturer have specific maintenance instructions? Oftentimes, customers go into it just looking for the aesthetic or how long the flooring is supposed to last based on the warranty. But part of that is knowing how to maintain the floor. There's so many types of floors out on the market now, LVT, LVP, and even oil floors. Those require a little more maintenance than your traditional urethane finished floor. Although beautiful, they just require a little more. So again, you want to make sure you have the manufacturer's maintenance instructions and then look to see if they recommend specific products. Some brands like Hallmark, Du Chateau have their own branded products. Others recommend certain products like a Woka or a Bona or even Basic Coatings and Hillway for their floors. So again, you want to make sure, does the manufacturer have recommended instructions and do they recommend specific products? Lastly, how accessible are those products? Does your local retailer sell those products? Or do you need to find another source like 1877 Floor Guy? Here are just a few things just to consider the next time you're out shopping for your new floor.